was hot. Good morning, everyone. Nothing better than to burn yourself with boiling water in the morning. Now I'm awake. So it's been raining the whole morning. Well, when I say the whole morning, until like 8:30. So yeah, that was a late start today. And now the sun is out. It's really nice. So yeah, the tea is ready, and I'm just gonna chill here in the morning. It's pretty nice. It's quiet. So I'll do that and then hit the road again. Doing a little stop at the Picture Lake National Lake Shore, and it is Sunday early afternoon and it is busy. Parking lot is full, but I found a little spot, so it's pretty cool. And I saw the rock right there. So that was really a quick stop. I'm gonna keep going north, and I think I know where I'm gonna stay tonight, so I'm good with that, unless the spot is taken. Let's see what happens. Stopping a few minutes at the Lake Superior Overlook, or one of them. Look at that. And yes, this is my spot for the night and maybe for the next couple of days. I might stay here more than a day. It's beautiful. Thanks again, Night Crawler TJ. And no, I will not disclose the location of this spot. It will be a top secret spot. The only thing I can tell you is I am somewhere on the Upper Peninsula in Michigan, and that's all you'll know. So this is where I parked the Jeep, so that I have a nice view of the ocean, I mean the lake. And I'm gonna do something different today, because if I'm gonna stay here a couple days, I think I'm gonna set up, because it's pretty windy and the wind is coming this way. So I think I'm gonna put a tarp here between these two pine trees and then set up some kind of a camp and maybe my pop-up shelter on the other side. So I'll have an area where I am protected from the wind when I am outside. And I really hope the weather is gonna stay like this, because it is beautiful. So yeah, the perfect spot right there. Done with a little shelter or windbreaker. It's not super pretty, but it will work. So I just used my the tarp that I use for my awning, and I use those tensioner. I don't know how it's called, but you know, you just pull on it and you put tension on the rope. And I did that at top and bottom on each side, and in the back here I just put like a tent stakes, like 4 of them, and yeah. And the gentleman I was talking to said that tomorrow the wind is gonna shift, so instead of blowing from this direction, it will be blowing from this direction. So anyway, well, then I'll just go on the other side of the shelter, right? It'll work too. So, and now it's time for a little snack and chill out with a view. Now the setup is complete with my pop-up tent. Maybe I'll take a shower tomorrow. Let's see what happens. It's cold. So I think I'm gonna go down and take a walk on the beach. The wind is almost gone, so I decided to make a little campfire, and we have a really nice sunset going on back there. Yeah, nice. That should make for a really nice evening. Okay, I am done shooting videos today, and I'm going to enjoy my campfire in the evening and the view, his view, and I will talk to you tomorrow morning. Good night, everyone. Cheers. Good morning, everyone. It is 10:30 a.m. already, and well, I've been doing nothing this morning. I started a fire and was just reading some magazine with this view. And yeah, yesterday was a really nice evening, and the night was pretty quiet. The wind shifted and the wave direction as well. So yeah, I don't know. I'm not a wave expert here, but definitely going in a different direction now. So I'll stop rambling. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna cook a real breakfast today. Yeah. Tea is ready. Let's get starting with the real stuff. Bacon, eggs, cheese, and butter. Yeah, butter and bacon. Why not? I guess I'll use half of it. And half of the eggs too. Why not? It'll be the meal of the day. Yeah, I'm not gonna do half of the cheese. That will be pushing it. like the bacon is ready. So I don't think I'm gonna put butter. I'll keep the butter for my crackers. And the final touch, the cheese. Yeah, that's a lot of cheese. That's a lot of everything. Yeah, I'll get keep a few for my crackers, because yeah, I'm gonna have crackers with that too. Well, I think it's ready. Look at that. I wish you could smell it. It smells delicious. Time to eat. Breakfast with a view. Oh yeah. It's like first class 5-star breakfast today with a fire going. Perfect. Oh yeah. Delicious. Well, closing the day today on another beautiful sunset. It was pretty windy today, but the wind is down now, which is good. Hopefully it'll stay like this for the night. That was a really nice day today. I didn't do much. Well, you know, I took a shower, had this big breakfast, cut wood, more wood, and edit some video, read magazine, and just enjoy this place. Really nice spot. Tomorrow I will hit the road again and keep going east on the Upper Peninsula. So I will talk to you tomorrow. Good night, everyone. Cheers.